Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have 2x and 2x to the power of 3. We can do about factorization. Negative number 1 we put in here. S to the power of 4 minus 1 we can write into s squared to the power of 2. Number 1 is about 1 square. So we can put about s squared minus 1, s squared plus 1. We have s squared minus 1, s squared minus 1. We can do another factorization. S squared minus 1 we can put into s minus 1, s plus 1. And this one we can write about s plus 1 to the power of 2. And s plus 1 with s plus 1 square, we have s plus 1 to the power of 3. Now, we can use about partial fractions. So I will put a over s minus 1, b over s plus 1 to the power of 3, c over s plus 1 to the power of 2, and d over s plus 1. And now we need to do common denominator. About a, we multiply by s plus 1 to the power of 3. About b, we need to have about s minus 1. About c, we have s minus 1, s plus 1. About d, that's about s minus 1, s plus 1 to the power of 2. So, we will have about s minus 1, s plus 1 to the power of 3. Because if we want to create common denominator, we need to multiply this one on numerator and denominator. Similar for the second one, we need to multiply by s minus 1 on numerator and denominator. That's why we have this one like this. Next, we need to expand this one. And this one. And this one. So 2s squared minus s squared, we have s squared. S minus 2s, we have negative s. Now, we need to arrange based on the term of s. About s to the power of 3, we have a plus d. About s squared, we have 3a plus c plus d. About s, we have 3a plus b minus d. About nothing, we have a minus b minus c minus d. Now, if we look carefully about coefficient, we have negative number 3. That means a plus d equals to negative number 3. This one equal to number 3. This one equal to number 11. and a minus b minus c minus d equal to number 3. And now we create the system of equations. Now we need to find the solution of A, B, C, D. So we have 8 equals to 7 over 4. B equals to number 1. C equals to 5 over 2. D equals to negative 19 over 4. So we put the value of A, B, C, D. Eight is about 7 over 4. B is about number 1. C is about 5 over 2. D is about negative 19 over 4. And now we can get the final answer. This one we have 7 over 4, ln of the absolute value of s minus 1. This one we will have about s plus 1 to the power of negative number 3 plus 1 over negative number 3 plus 1. This one we have negative 5 over 2, 1 over s plus 1. And the last one is about 19 over 4, ln of the absolute value of s plus 1. And we put about c. So this one is about negative number 2. Negative number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question in here.